Is silver about to take off or fall through the floor? The price of silver right now is sitting at a critical point where even a small move could turn into something big. For investors and traders watching the metals market, this is the moment which could define the silver's next big trend. Whether it rebounds or breaks down, the outcome would be sharp and fast. So in this video today, we'll be breaking down what's really happening with silver, why this moment's important, and what could possibly happen next. So if you're thinking about trading or investing in silver, you'll need to watch the key levels and signals we're just about to cover. So without further ado, let's get right into today's video. Silver has been moving inside an upward sloping channel for the past several weeks, which means that the price has mostly been rising gradually, bouncing between an upper resistance line and a lower support level. But now that pattern is being tested. Currently, silver is trading near $28.36, but earlier in July, it dropped to about $28.08, which is very close to the bottom line of its rising level. Since then, it has been unable to make a strong push in either direction. The market has been quiet, but this time of calm usually comes before a huge storm, right? What makes this moment important is that the price is hovering just above the key support line. This line has been tested before, and so far it is held. But if it breaks this time, it could lead to a deeper slide. When you look at silver's daily chart, it paints a clear picture. The metal is perched right on the edge of a critical support level. Holding this level could mean silver is preparing for another climb, and losing it could open the door for a bigger decline. The important number to watch is $28.08. That's the recent low and the current support. If silver stays above that and gains momentum, it could climb back towards the upper part of the channel around $29.11. But if it breaks down, the next likely stop is near $27.03 and even $26.50, which are previous areas where the price has bounced in the past. These levels act like guardrails. As long as silver stays within them, it's following a pattern. Break out of those guardrails and things could change very fast. Looking at the Relative Strength Index or RSI, which helps measure buying or selling momentum, we see it is at 50, right in the middle, which means that right now the market is in a state of balance. Traders aren't too eager to buy or sell right now, which reflects the indecision we see in the price action too. A strong move in either direction could shift that balance very quickly. If silver starts moving higher or the RSI climbs, it would be a signal of returning strength. But if it falls, the momentum could turn sharply negative. Several outside forces are influencing silver prices, and they are all pushing in different directions. One big factor is the strength of the US dollar. Since silver is priced in dollars, a stronger dollar usually puts pressure on silver. If the dollar continues to rise, silver could struggle. Another major influence is interest rate expectations in the US. Investors are watching the Federal Reserve closely. If interest rates stay higher for longer, it becomes less attractive to hold non-interest assets like silver. On the other hand, if the FED starts cutting rates later this year, silver could gain a new wave of support. Global economic signals also matter. Silver is both a precious metal and an industrial one, used in electronics, solar panels, and batteries. If economies slow down, silver demand may fall. But if industrial production picks up, especially in green tech, silver could benefit. And of course, geopolitical risks can change things very quickly. When investors get nervous about wars, trade tensions, or political instability, they often turn safe haven assets like gold and silver. Right now, silver is stuck in a zone of uncertainty, but it won't last forever. A breakout or breakdown is coming, possibly very soon. If silver tries and manages to climb up above $28.80 and stay strong, it could rally towards $29.11 and even test $30 in a bullish breakout. But if it slips below $28.08, it could trigger a bearish wave, sending it to $27 or even lower. So the next few days will give us some more clear direction. Traders are watching, and so should you. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to stay updated on all the financial trends, and I'll see you tomorrow with another fun and exciting video. Until next time, take care.